Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Now we are going to make the Nasi Lemak Chilli. I have with me over here 25 pieces of dried chili which I have rehydrated, 1 whole stalk of lemongrass using only the white stem, 1 whole piece of red onion, 8 pieces of shallots, and 4 cloves of garlic. We'll put them in the food processor now. We'll also add in 20 grams of dried shrimps which I have rehydrated. Please reserve the water, we need to use them later. I'm also adding in 10 grams of anchovies which I dry fried a little bit to make them crispy. This will enhance the taste of the chili. Just pour them in. We'll pour in a little bit of oil to help blend this up. Just a little bit will do. And we'll blend this to a fine paste. The chili paste is done, let's have a look. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So we will now go and fry the chili. We're going to fry the chili now. Heat up your pan, add in half a cup of oil. Heat up the oil a little bit before we put the chili paste in. Swirl the oil around. Important thing about frying chili is that do not turn up the heat way too high. Otherwise it will burn easily. So normally for this step I would like to keep my oil, or rather the temperature, down to a medium low. It might take a little bit of time to fry a chili, but trust me, it will be much easier. Once the oil has heated up, we'll add in the chili paste. Be careful when you put it in. Put it in gently. We don't want the oil to splatter. We need to fry this chili paste until the oil separates from the chili. This will take a little bit of time because I'm using medium-low heat over here. I do not want to burn my chili. After we are done, you'll see that this is a very beautiful red color. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. We are halfway done. As you can see, the chili has turned into a very nice dark red color. We're adding the rest of the ingredients now. We're adding 20 grams of belacan which I have dry roasted. This is salty, so this will replace the salt. 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Put it in. Nasi Lemak chili has to be sweet, so we're adding in 40 grams of palm sugar. If you do not have palm sugar, you can always use white sugar or brown sugar, no problem. To bind them properly together, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of the water that I used to soak the dry shrimp in. Right, we need to make sure that everything is blended in properly and nicely. This will be so good. I'll add in another 1/3 cup of water. This 1/3 cup of the water is also the water that I used to soak the dry shrimp in, because I need to melt the sugar and make sure that everything is blended in. I've used 1 cup of water to soak the dried shrimp. Do not discard the water because we need the water to fry the chili paste. We are almost done. Let me just give this a taste. Look at how beautiful the color is. Just a little bit. Wow, this is really good. Okay, we'll scoop this up and let it cool down. Our nasi lemak with the salted egg yolk chicken is done. Let's just have a taste now. I hope you can hear how crunchy this is. Okay, we'll just give this a taste now. Like the drumlets, I'll take the drumlets. Very, very authentic. This Knorr golden salted egg yolk powder is really the bomb. It is really, really good. Really finger-licking good. Let's try the rest of the dish. A little bit of the anchovies. This is actually my favorite to go with nasi lemak. Actually, I have a lot of favorites. Chili is a must for me. Grab some chili. I like to mix the chili with the rice. A little bit of the egg plus the egg yolk, the liquid egg yolk, like what you can see over here. This is so good. Mix them up. I tell you, that's why Southeast Asia is really the haven for food. Nasi lemak, a simple dish, a dish I can find everywhere, but this is really so good. The chili, the rice, the anchovies, the egg, plus this beautiful salted egg yolk chicken. I tell you, this is the best combination one can actually hope for. Crunchy, fragrant. Wow, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're hungry also, like me right now. I will not talk much. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. You want to eat also? Cannot lah. Oh, good.